with going to Park Industries and going through their whole package deal of all the machines, we definitely hit the ground running and just have started to explode. It really is amazing the ease of use, the ease of time that you have now, the cleanliness that it puts in your shop. Definitely gets you excited for the future. It gets you excited for the scale and the growth that you can see in your company. We are now at 4x production of what we were 3 years ago doing everything manually. I'm happy and proud to say that I'm an all Park Industries shop.